Hi guys, welcome back to vlogmas day 7. I am here with my brother.
Hello.
We are just chilling in the kitchen. He's playing Minecraft, I think, but
Yep, I am.
yeah, so I'm actually cooking dinner for my brother and my mom. My mom is out going grocery shopping right now, so I'm just making her some dinner so when she comes home she has some food. And I figured I was like in the mood to bake today, so I kind of want to bake. So we'll do some holiday baking. I want to make some dog treats and some banana bread and possibly some lemon cookies, and I'm really excited because if you know me, I love baking. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish cooking some dinner for my fam and I will get to you guys later. Okay. So I just got done making my dinner. So I burnt fries, but I made carrot fries. And I'm going to have that with some of this tofurkey deli meat and some ketchup. I got this from Target. It's the Primal Kitchen, unsweetened. Overpriced, but it's fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
And then I'm also gonna mix some sriracha in there because ketchup and sriracha are superior when it comes to a condiment combo. I tasted my fries and they're still pretty good, like they're not bad. But yeah, I'm gonna have that and my deli meat. I cooked my mom's dinner, she's not home yet, but it's all done. Yeah, I just wasn't really in the mood to like cook, but I'm in the mood to bake. That's what I'm in the mood to do. So I'm gonna eat these fries and I'm just gonna eat my dinner and watch some vlogmas. And I'll catch up with you guys when I maybe start baking. I also might start wrapping presents tonight, but I definitely won't finish. Hi, I just cleaned up the kitchen, but right now I figured I'd start baking, and I think I'm gonna make some banana bread and some chocolate chip cookies. But yeah. Oh, my mom got these really cute treats. They're like little bones. They're yogurt and peanut butter flavor, and I think my dogs really like them. Can you sit? Can you sit? Can you speak? Can you sit? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. No, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Good boy. Good morning. So it is now Wednesday. It's actually supposed to snow, so that's really exciting. And it's 9:07 and I'm about to work out. I'm probably just gonna do either Lily Sabri or Sydney Cummings workout. I did have some raisins as like a pre-workout snack because I'm obsessed, and I will see you afterwards. I'll probably be sweaty and gross. Ew, why do I? Okay. Alright, so I just finished working out. Sorry, I'm like I literally look insane. But I just put this on just to see how it looked because I have a collared shirt underneath, so I just wanted to see if it looked right. But I already wore the shirt like in vlogmas, so I kind of feel bad, but it's necessary because it's snowing. There's like a giant snowstorm coming, and I'm wearing the shirt that says snow happens, you know. I'm not gonna wear it with these shorts, but I just wanted to see if it looked okay with the collar, and I think it does, so I think I might wear it. I changed my outfit plans. I just didn't want to wear it anymore, but I'll show you what I am wearing. I actually showered and stuff. It's still going crazy outside. It's snowing so much. But yeah, I'll show you my outfit now. This shirt is top from H&M, and then these pants that are thrifted. But yeah, this is the fit. I need to put on a belt though, because the pants are falling. Hey guys, so I just got done with a Zoom call. So like all of the Christmas presents have arrived. So I think I might start wrapping some presents. I'm so excited. I love wrapping presents, and I'm gonna put them under my tree. Sorry, my room is a mess still. I also need to work on that today. But I think I might go grab something for lunch actually, because I'm kind of hungry. And yeah. Okay, so I'm having lunch now. I'm just gonna have some cucumbers and some carrots in this salsa too, and this plant-based queso dip. I put it in the other vlog, but that's what that is, and it's so good, guys. Look at how snowy it is. Hey guys, I just had lunch and I cleaned up the kitchen a little bit, like I did the dishes and stuff. And I came upstairs because I'm gonna clean up a little bit in my room, try to put things away. But I made an iced coffee. I used the eggnog creamer, the Califia Farms eggnog creamer, and it's really good on its own. Like it actually tastes like eggnog. But it's really sweet, so I put in some coffee because I made it as a creamer, but it's really good on its own, and I would drink it on its own, but it's a lot of sugar and probably not the best, but I just lit this candle. It's holiday spruce. I got it from Target like last year, and it smells so good. I'm actually almost out of it, as you can see, but yeah. It's so sad, but it smells so good. Okay, hey guys, so I am like kind of picking up my room, but I got most of the boxes actually cleared out. Okay, I'm back. But I was just coming on to say that I just ate dinner, cleaned up the kitchen a little bit. I did dishes and stuff, and now I'm working on my room. I got actually all of the boxes out. There's just one more because there's another one inside of that one, and then I have to put that one downstairs. But yeah, I emptied all my boxes, but I have that bag and that suitcase that I need to empty. And then I have there's like a box under there, and it's like keepsake stuff, like it's memory, you know, it's just like for memories, you know, if you know, you know. Oh my god, my hair's crazy. Okay, so I am actually heading to bed right now. I'm actually watching Netflix, but I did get a few presents wrapped, but I'm gonna finish the rest tomorrow. And it just started snowing again, so we're supposed to get like 3 more inches, and we already have like 4 inches, so it'll be like about 8 inches of snow. But yeah, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna edit this vlog, get it up, and then I will see you in the next vlogmas. So sorry again, this vlog was like literally so boring, but hopefully it'll get more exciting. Tomorrow I'm planning on wrapping gifts and baking cookies and other stuff. I don't know. We'll just have to see where it goes. But yeah, I will see you in the next vlogmas. Bye.